Today we'll be making crab roll, inspired by the ones sold at Eatzi's, EATZI. These rolls are packed with crab meat, crisp lettuce, crunchy cucumber, and creamy avocado, all wrapped in delicate rice paper. Served with a side of sweet chili or wasabi and soy sauce, enhances the experience, giving a touch of umami and heat. These spring rolls are healthy and elegant options for any occasion. They can serve as a meal and are really simple and quick to make as all the ingredients are already cooked. So let's start cooking. First, we prepare our cucumbers. I use small Persian cucumbers. You can use any cucumbers you like. Cut both ends, split in half lengthwise, and de-seed using a spoon. Then slice thinly. This is what it looks like. I have 1 pound imitation crab meat. You can use real crab meat if you like. I like to use the food processor to chop it into small chunks. Add 1/4 cup mayo and stir until combined. Cut the avocado into 2 and peel the skin. Slice the avocado to your desired thickness. I like to take the avocado seed out by cutting around the seed. Prepare your lettuce. I'm using green leaf lettuce. You can use any lettuce you like, but make sure to take out some of the harder stalks. Now we can assemble. Pour water in a container large enough to dip the rice paper. My water is slightly warmer than room temperature. The Vietnamese spring roll wrapper has 2 sides, the smooth and the rougher side. We want the smooth side on the outside, so you put the crab meat and the lettuce on the rougher side. Dip the wrapper in the water until it is slightly softened. Watch how I roll my crab rolls. You can put the crab meat inside the lettuce like where I put the cucumber, and the crab meat will be in the middle. But I like mine showing on the top. It's just a personal preference. The same with the avocado. You can also put it in the middle. I shape the crab meat so it is easier to roll. You can also adjust the shape a little bit after rolling. If you enjoy my video, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss an update. To my subscribers, thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you. Serve with sweet chili sauce or wasabi and soy sauce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.